These are the older Thyssenkrupp elevators at IKEA down to the garage. These are the really giant ones. Well, big for passenger elevators anyway. Empty. Is it open? No. Now it is. P. What's this? It says 1 level, P level. Indicators out. Yeah. We're probably gonna take this back up. I mean, you can pop out from, but I want to hear the motor on this. Weird buttons. 1. Here we go. Dead indicator. That's actually pretty impressive. Wow. Does this button light up? What color is it? Yellow. Very cheap feeling. Is it? No, it doesn't feel like diamond plate floor, right? It's just like regular.
Yeah, regular.
Buttons over there. Let's see. The lanterns on each side. There's one. See if we can ring it. Watch this close. Sorry, that was kind of at an angle, and that's it.